back to a little bit of Ticker Tinder here. We're gonna
Yes,
see
sir.
what charts the man Duke wants to swipe left or right on. And I gotta
Yes, sir.
admit, I'm an old married man. I've never even had Tinder. I don't know if swiping
Hmm.
left or right is good. But you
Yeah.
might be able to help me out with that one. We'll see.
I mean, yeah. Swipe right if you like it. Swipe left if it's not
It's
your
a
type.
no for you.
You know what I mean?
It's
Yeah,
gonna
it's
be a
enough
no
for
for
me.
me, dog. Yeah. All right.
Uh-huh.
So
All
yeah.
right.
So if
So
you guys have any tickers that you want Duke to take a look at, he'll run through a couple he has in mind. But if you guys have any that you want him to look at, if we have some time, he can check those out at the end, and he'll let you know if he'd swipe right or left on it. So
yes, sir. I mean, the chat's kind of dry right
I
now.
know we gotta get it
Damn.
going, people. We gotta get it
I'm
going there.
famished, dude. Just put a letter in there. Let's see, like one letter. Let me see. Go and go.
I've always wanted to say,
Go.
can we get W's in the chat for Netflix?
Yes.
Come on,
Do it for
chat.
Tyler. Come on. Do it for Tyler. Let's see.
We're
Okay.
getting no love, dude. We're getting no love.
All right. Maybe we'll check in. Probably takes like 2, 3 business
Yeah,
days.
I think
to
there's a
turn
slight
around.
delay on it. We had the chat going early. They must just be hitting that lunchtime wall on us,
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
they didn't
Or
hold
just
Netflix and they're
a
kind of
little
heated.
food coma.
One of the two.
That's fair. We'll allow it. All right. So the list is pretty small right now. I mean, I usually wait like 2 more hours, like power hour, to start looking for stuff because they might change up. But we have some candidates so far. These three: Root, Lemonade, and Apple. So Root, I'm looking at right now. We had strong impulse after earnings, and then sold off, and then huge recovery right after. So this seems interesting to me. We got double inside day. I want a close over that 55 EMA, that purple line right here. That purple line. If we get a daily close over that, then that's probably fair game for me. So that's one of them. I'll swipe right en route
En route.
if it's
All
above
right. I like
88.
it. Swipe it right.
Let's just say
So just a quick question for you about
yeah.
just the way you look for these moves and to get into your mind a little bit on what you're looking for. So I see you have the monthly, weekly, and daily chart up. Are those
Hmm.
the only three time frames that you really pay attention to when looking at swing names?
For the most part, these ones more for longer term and then extra confluence, just to get a condensed version of um, my higher time frame view. But I'm mainly just looking at the daily.
Okay. All right. And
Mainly
what
just looking
EMAs
at
do
the
you
daily.
use on the daily?
8, 21, 55, and 200.
Okay, cool. All right, cool. Just I wanted to get a little bit of a insight in your head here when you're talking about what you're looking
Hmm.
at here.
Yeah, and then it would be like the EMAs are relative to each time frame too. So these are weekly EMAs as opposed to still being the daily ones.
And so we're swiping right on route right now, but for you it matters how we close here over the
Yeah,
next
yeah.
looks
I
like
mean
what we got 3 hours.
the setup looks good. If we're above that, and then we'd also clear that weekly 200 in the way, and then that would give us definitely some room. We got
And
92.
so then what is your process? So you make these decisions basically. You have a few in mind, and then last 15 minutes of the day, depending on how things look, how they're going to close, you decide
Hmm.
what you're going to take. What is your process when it comes to, are you doing weekly strike prices, and how far out of the money are you going? Are you staying in the money? How do you look at the contracts?
Weekly, I transitioned to started buying a little bit more time just because market habits changed. I've been recently it was like it wouldn't play out the next day,
Mm-hmm.
and or like say I got a Friday 0 day, it didn't play out that Friday, and then Monday it did the move and then some. It just got started getting pissed off.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, you know what? We'll just buy a week in advance or a week extra time.
Yeah. So
Um,
you started exploring that a little bit more recently.
mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Cool.
And then also for liquidity purposes, depending on the ticker. As far as strikes, I mainly the goal is to go not egregiously out the money, but for the contract to be either at the money or in the money by the time it hits my first price target,
All right,
just so I
cool.
can take advantage of the Greeks.
Yeah, gotcha. So you're just looking to go a little bit, maybe a couple bucks out of the money, but it's within your
Hmm.
target.
Yeah, unless it's just like unless it's just super liquid and fairly priced, then I'll go like here. I wouldn't just go straight for 93s or 95s since it's a cheap ticker, so probably just go 90s.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
got you, got you. Yeah, that makes
Yeah,
sense.
yeah, not a whole bunch of thought
No,
put
I
into it.
mean, no, that makes sense. I mean, that's how I think that's how a lot of people who trade weeklies, go for. You're looking to get something that's a couple bucks out of the
Mm-hmm.
money, and then ideally, like you said, take advantage of the Greeks if it goes from out of money to in the money. You get the nice return on the options there.
Yes, sir.
And yeah,
Thought
Duke,
thought
Duke, I
thought
from
is just
Matt
a
hit
good
us in
word.
the
Sorry,
what's that?
thought was just a good word, just because
Oh yeah,
to me.
yeah, yeah.
You know what
Well,
I mean?
this is a
Yeah.
good point. Matt just put this in the chat, so shout out to Matt. He said thank you for your service, Duke. Yesterday was
Hey, thanks
Veterans
for your
Day.
support.
We were
Yes,
gonna
sir.
do Ticker Tinder yesterday, but we had to give you the day off for Veterans Day. But yeah,
I'll take it.
as a group, we thank you for that.
Yes, sir, man.
But all right,
Appreciate it.
what's the next ticker that after we're swiping right on root. Our
Yes, above 88.50.
close
Swiping
above
right above
88.50,
88.
and
Yeah.
we're looking for some overnight plays on route. All right.
Yeah, so she's just a little bit taller than we can swipe right on that. There we go. And then the next one is lemonade.
Lemonade. I've never even looked at this ticker.
Dude, you never seen this one? It was
No,
oh, it was
lemonade.
a
I gotta peep this bad boy.
it was like sort of a meme at one point.
Oh, it was okay. What's the
Sort of.
what's the ticker symbol?
LMND.
LMND.
Yeah. Let me see if we can spot it when it got memey.
It's a chart that looks like it's got some legs on it right now. It's
Yeah, right now it's doing really
it's
well. Oh,
juiced
there
up.
it goes. Right here.
Yeah, that's where it started going
Yeah, it was
memeabolic.
getting meme. I mean, it got the meme. You got the meme price action. The dead cat right there.
I love it.
Yeah.
Do you like follow the Reddit kind of Reddit meme craze for names and like to get in on that action?
No, it's really. I mean, for the most part, I have just a list of tickers that I usually play, and then if I see people hyping up a ticker in the Discord
Yeah,
chat,
you'll
then
start
I'll be
giving
popping
it a
in
watch.
if the chain's good.
Gotcha. So
Yeah.
just the Discord, okay.
Mm-hmm. So lemonade, right here. I'm not necessarily looking for a straight on like full reversal here to capitalize or like to take out this whole move. My main thing here is that we're putting in a pretty gnarly. If anybody's familiar with the strat, like a failed two,
Okay.
right? So this just indication that we can probably retrace at least back to 73,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that chart's gone pretty parabolic. It looks like
Yeah.
it could have some room to pull back for sure.
Yeah, I mean, if anybody's familiar with EMAs, right? If we're strong in a trend, then these short-term EMAs can definitely act as solid support. So I usually um, just target that if it's a strong trend, and then below that, probably 69.
Hey! It's better than 6'7". I'll take that. I'll
Dude,
take that all day.
oh no, it doesn't make sense. Dude, I'm learning so much of the Kid Bloomberg. It just doesn't make sense. Like, why this hand movement? Why 6'7"?
Don't ask me, brother. I'm 34. I'm turning 35
Hey,
in December. Don't ask me.
I'm 30, man. I'm 30.
Yeah,
I just got.
exactly. So if you're just learning, imagine my old ass over here. Oh, dude, guys,
Oh,
we got a swear jar on here. Have you seen the? Are you familiar with the swear jar?
I've seen it. Yes, I
All
think we're
right,
at like
we there we go.
what?
Boom. We hit $20 on the bad boy earlier. Biggest
No
biggest
way.
deposit we've seen yet, up to $83. because of the $20 entry, I think somebody's gonna win this 100 by tomorrow. We'll see.
Nice. Nice. I mean, is there like a hierarchy or like a tier list?
Yeah, so it's coded to just be percentages. So it's the vast majority goes $1 or $2. I think that takes up about 90% of the chance. And then from there, then 5, 10, and 20 are all pretty rare. But we hit a 20 today, so it was a big moment for myself in the chat for sure.
So it's a roulette wheel kind of thing.
Yeah. In terms of what dollar, it's like if you had a real swear jar that wasn't a virtual swear jar. It's what cash you got in your pocket. You're gonna swear my mother's house. You're gonna empty your pockets. You know what I'm saying?
That's fair. I thought there was like a list. Like this word is definitely gonna be at least $10.
Yeah. That maybe is the way to do it. Because that's where Zach's mind went with it as well. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll have to adjust after somebody wins. DJ's hit us with a no on that in the chat because then, he knows the big dollar words would be coming out.
Yeah, we'd be abusing that for sure.
We got so Frank's calling us babies in the chat. All right, listen, Frank.
Babies.
Listen, you old head Frank. You and
I may be wet behind the ears, but it's definitely not. Never mind.
Yo, Brandon! Shout out Brandon. What's up, baby?
Brandon, Duke is so handsome. Amar, it's because you're my inspiration. That's the only reason why.
He's just chasing you. Amar, by the way, I don't know if you were on. We did update Netflix. I don't know if you held that bad boy, but contracts hit it right around 100%. Shout out to Amar for the Netflix trade from this morning. All right, Duke. So back to Lemonade here. So we're looking to fade this move. Any other thoughts that you have on this? Where would you like to see us close in order to take a short on this name?
Really just near the lows of the day. Ideally, I don't want it to close any closer to the EMA because then it leaves no room for the trade to play out.
Gotcha.
Since that's the initial target, I don't want it too close. So if we stay around here, I'm completely fine with that. Even just a little bit of a retracement higher, I'm completely fine with. Main thing, as long as it doesn't turn into like a flat day or a doji, then
yeah, okay. So as long as you don't see a strong rally from these lows, it looks good.
So as long as she stays dropped like that, we swiping right. We swiping right,
baby. Let's go.
Dude, I need like a button thing.
We'll get you set up. We'll get you set up for next week 100%. We'll get next week for sure. We'll have a whole soundboard ready to go for all the segments. I gotta get me a stream deck here, and we're gonna be cooking. I'll be over here with my sound effects. Sir. Yes,
we gotta let you handle that, or I'd abuse it. So
yeah, exactly. Yeah, we got limits on you, brother. Don't you worry about that. We ain't giving you the stream deck. We ain't that stupid.
Oh no, I need it. Okay. And yeah, the last one, probably Apple, right? Strong impulse after a little bit of consolidation, broke that, and then we got a nice strong inside day, and still not far from the EMA, so. Nice little consolidation day. Closed strong at the highs. Definitely before. All right, she's a little too tall for me if she's above previous day's high.
Yeah, right? I really like that Apple daily chart as well. If we close as we are right now, or anywhere near where we are right now, that's a nice daily 3-bar for sure.
Yep. And then I'll definitely take that. Swipe right if you don't get too tall on me.
We swiping right on Apple, baby. Let's go. Now let's hope. Sir. Now here's the key, chat. We need these sexy looking charts to swipe right back on us. And let's get some follow through on these bad boys. Hey, what do you
think? Oh no, we got a match, dude.
You got a match. We'll see. It's not always a match, She's looking good to us, but are we looking good to her? That's the question.
Yeah, that's a big question, man.
Okay,
All right.
nice,
I
nice. So
mean,
we got
that's the main three.
main three: root, lemonade, and apple
Mm-hmm.
are the names that Duke's got on his Tinder swipe right list. Are there any names, chat, that you guys want to see that they might be looking good to you, and do they pass the Duke eye test? You know, he
See,
kind of likes them with a little booty behind him. You know what I'm saying? Picky man, this Duke. Next time, so yeah, so what?
Netflix.
Take a look at Netflix. See what you think. We got also too little catalyst in with Netflix is they announced a split. It takes place on Monday, so we got the last few trading days here before we got the split in Netflix.
Okay, Netflix. Let's see. So we got a post earnings gap.
Okay, I didn't even realize that we recently had earnings on Netflix here.
Yes. So anybody wondering, GIP stands for gap in price. It's just really fun to say GIP.
Yep, I like it. Yep.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Guys, just got a message from Lucid that we got flash sale 50% off all resets. So if you were trading your Lucid account today and did not have a good day, 50% off the resets. Code StockDads from Lucid. But go ahead,
Yes,
Duke. Finish your
sir.
thoughts on Netflix here.
I mean, this one's iffy because we're right below the 55 on the daily, so that doesn't really leave room for me if I was to take it.
Okay.
Really be more interested above this pivot right here, above this level, 1176, because then that would give us room right here. Right? What is that?
Okay, so kind of coming up, filling that gap area here in the chart.
Yeah.
Okay, so Dookie is swiping left.
I gotta
Swiping
swipe
left on Netflix.
I gotta swipe left on Netflix, dude. I gotta swipe left on Netflix, dude.
Oh no, Netflix. I mean,
Again,
listen, if you're
at least today. At least today.
yeah, if you took Netflix with Amar, next level,
Yeah, I mean,
next level I got is up at 1165. That's about another $9 up
yeah,
today. I don't know if she's got
that's
that
right
in her,
where the
but she's
55's
pushing
at.
right now. No chill.
Mm-hmm.
Just
I
made
mean,
new highs.
if you already made your 100% and you got some runners, by all means,
For sure,
the chart
yeah.
still looks strong.
Yeah.
It's just, according to how I'm viewing the chart, I can swipe.
It's not checking all the boxes.
No.
It's not, sweetie. It's not you. It's me. You know.
it's me. Not really. That's how it is right now.
Ballersaurus Rex. Would you take a look at RDDT?
Reddit. Let's see. Okay.
Ballersaurus Rex. If you were going to take a swing on Reddit, are you looking long or short? Yo, HP's the I don't think anybody spoke up in the chat earlier, but HP's holding Netflix from Amar. He's at 150%, going crazy. Bangers! Let's go, Amar.
150%. That's a good day.
Shouts out Amar. Heck yeah. I mean, this first week of StockDads TV, the traders have been on point. Everybody's bringing their A game. Let's go. Good stuff.
That's it. We don't even count the rest of the alphabet. You know what I'm saying?
That's it, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
That's it, baby.
He's all the way.
Hell yeah.
Reddit.
Frank's in Netflix too. Shout out Frank. Let's go. Frank, that's that senior patience you got.
I mean, if I was up 150%, I'd definitely just let it go.
Yeah, heck yeah, you got those runners. Yeah, maybe see Netflix is with the split news. It may be one of those names. You got a runner, you took some profits. it definitely could be a name. It might be fun to see what that runner could do headed into
Hmm.
Friday. All right, give us your thoughts on Reddit. Then we got a couple more names we'll look at.
Reddit. We're stuck in between EMAs right now, so you can definitely get chopped up if we're just ranging in here.
Okay.
Right. So one would need clearance. As far as going, it looks more short than long to me. Um, Stuff I've been saying for quite a while now. Um, it looks more short than long. Um, it would need for a short. It would need to close um, at least below the 80 EMA, ideally under 195, and then definitely have more volume on the day. But right now we're not
Mm-hmm.
getting that. We're still just stuck in here
Mm-hmm.
consolidating.
So that's something you consider as well is the day or previous day's volume, just because if the volume is trending downward, you're expecting more consolidation than a bigger move one way or the other.
Well, mainly, I don't know if you know who Anna Cooling is.
Oh, apparently it went over my head.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
saw
she's
him smirk. I saw him smirk. I'm like, oh man, what did I miss? And then StockDads in the chat said, "Nice short wiener, Duke. I missed it, bro. I
yeah,
missed
that
it.
was
It
perfect.
went right over
Oh
my
no.
head, bro.
No, I said
Oh,
it twice for you, dude.
oh
I
my
said it
gosh.
twice for you.
I'm like over
All
here to
right.
get too serious. I'm like, oh, look at it. I'm looking at these EMAs, trying to figure out. Damn, bro, I missed it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Well,
I'm
hey,
trying to
chat's
find
got
a
my back. Chat's got my back.
I'm finding loopholes for you, DJ, so I can, indirectly curse without cursing.
Dude, next time be a man
Uh,
and say dick joke, all right?
but
I got you, chat. I'm a man of the people. I got you.
yeah,
All right, so
no,
we're
Reddit.
swiping left. We're swiping left
Yeah,
on Reddit.
dude.
We're thinking
Yeah.
some more consolidation.
Unless for some reason we get under 195 by the end of the day, and then get a bunch more volume, then you know, I'm sorry.
If this dude pulls out another doll, I
We're swiping
we're
left.
swiping left.
We're
Swiping
swiping
left on Reddit. All right, next name, Mike asked us to take a look at CMG for longs.
CMG. Oh, Chipotle. Let's go. Chipotle. Oh my god. Oh, this one looks interesting.
Ooh.
The thing that's scary is just the little consolidation here after the price earnings drop. So from what it reads, like just the way we're recovering from this, it'll probably, oh, where's my drawing tool? All right, just go here, then bounce back for a short little, and then just drop. I messed up the drop. All right,
Mm-hmm.
but you guys get the idea. The visual is there. Um,
I'm
but yeah,
surprised that's all you drew. I thought that could take a bad turn. I thought we turned off your drawing tools. I thought we disabled those.
yeah, no.
We don't like giving Duke crayons around here, guys.
No, don't give me crayons. Yeah, I mean I won't eat them, right? Of course not.
So
But
CMG,
definitely
you're expecting maybe a little bit more to the upside, kind of to the higher end of that range before
yeah,
potentially a move lower.
yeah. That's what makes the most sense, right? Especially after you have like a huge drop
Yeah,
post earnings, and
rally
then you
back into
get
the EMAs.
yeah. If you're trying to recover this, then it would be more aggressive than what happened here. Like
Mm-hmm.
we tried here, and then we just kept failing. So that would
Um,
make the most sense to me.
and so Mike, kind of what I take from that, if I were you, is yeah, like he's looking at CMG like it potentially could go higher because after this big move down, it has some room to kind of pull back, even though we're in a downtrend here technically.
Mm-hmm.
But is it the highest probability name based off of some of the other charts he's looking at?
To go,
Probably not.
mm-mm.
So obviously that's up to you. But if it's a name you like, it definitely has some room to the upside. But there's just some other names we like out there a little bit more.
Mm-hmm. I definitely look at it above 3230. She was a little taller. then that would give us room to 34, depending on how we close. But
Or if he was a
until we're
little bit
above,
longer, we don't discriminate around here.
yeah, yeah, no discrimination. But for today, we gotta.
Hold on, is
Or
that Elsa from Frozen?
yeah, we gotta let it go, dude. We gotta let her go.
Listen, you better have a daughter, or I got a lot of questions, man.
Yes, I got a daughter. She was playing in here while I was getting this stuff set up, so there's just a bunch of dolls.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, my kids do the same thing. That's awesome. Duke was made for the camera, baby. I love it. I love it.
Oh man,
We're gonna have to do. We might have to bring Ticker Tinder back on twice a week.
dude,
It's electric. The people want it.
This is the stuff. But yeah,
we got another request here. Next up chart, we got DDOG. A little bit of D dog.
Some data dog. Data dog.
Yo, Pillsbury Farms, Pillsbury, let's go. Imagine selling Netflix before the run. Let's go, Pillsbury.
Oh,
Shouts out Amar.
Yes, sir.
D-Dog.
I mean, we trying to. What are we? Where are we?
Let's see, let me pull up a little D-Dog. So this was requested in the StockDads, or in the chat by the StockDads account. So I don't know if that was Sir Connor or the grandfather of us all, DJ. I don't know who's got their eyes on D-Dog. Which one of you's interested in the DJ? DJ's looking at D-Dog. DJ, right, you like it higher or lower?
Oh, I can see why. D-Dog.
Ooh, he's picking up what you're putting down.
Yeah, I can see it. I sees it all. Right now, yeah. I mean, it's hard to go long right now. Can't, I'm sorry.
Zach's he said Zach's in calls. So is Zach actively in calls, like he just got him right now, looking for an overnight swing?
I think he in there, cut.
Ooh. Not your favorite name to the upside though.
Not right now, just because one price action mainly, right? I mean, you familiar with the strat?
So I mean, based off of a few things you say, I mean, I have an idea, but no, I don't have your full strat locked in. So any sauce you want to?
The hashtag the strat.
Oh, hashtag the strat? No, I'm not.
Yeah. By Rob Smith. It's basically just just a way to view price action, right?
Okay.
Since there's only like 3 scenarios you can have, right?
Okay.
So this is the previous candle, right? Then the second candle is the first scenario, right? Here's the first scenario where it doesn't take out a high or low.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the second scenario where it takes out a high or a low. And then the third scenario, obviously, will take out a high and a low.
Okay.
Right? So those are the only 3 scenarios you'd see with price action.
I like that.
So 1, right? 1, we didn't take out a high or low. This one, we took out a high, so that would be 2. This one didn't take, I guess you kind of took out, so that would be 2. This one's 2. Essentially, 2 is going to be your trending candles.
2, right? And you're saying 2 is when it takes out both a high and a low?
No, 3 is when it takes, it's progressive.
Oh, okay.
Right? So
okay.
1 is nothing, 2 is 1, and then 3 is both.
Okay. I gotcha.
Yeah. And essentially, you can't have a 2 without a 1, right? Because or you can't have a 3 without 2 happening.
Okay.
Et cetera, right? If that makes sense.
Mm-hmm. So then how do you apply that?
So I'm just viewing this. Letting just price action tell me the psychology behind essentially the day, right? If we broke the low, or if we consolidated here, then the ideal scenario would be, right, this, and then up, right? That would be the ideal scenario for a long. But since we went up, sideways, and then dropped, it could that could indicate we can potentially come lower,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
right?
So do you ever look at like uh so if you're looking at the price action theory you're talking about where you have scenario 1, 2, or 3 on your daily chart, do you prefer a swing after a 1? So you have an inside day of consolidation, and
Hmm.
then you want to swing after the 1 into a 2? Or would you rather see like a 2, a trending day where we just broke one side? Is there like a preference? Do you think about it that way at all?
No, well, so ones can also kind of give you direction, even though it's an inside day,
Mm-hmm.
right? Like if we close out strong to one side, that can kind of give you um, direction, especially if like like right here we did a huge gap up and then we closed strong in an inside day, then that could be potential. Like if you just go like
Essentially,
search
kind
through
of like
various charts.
you could say Apple today, right? So
Hmm.
you had a 2 yesterday where it just broke the high, and then today's putting in a 1 where it's currently an inside bar, but it's still
Hmm.
giving you in my opinion it's still giving you an idea of direction because it's an inside bar that looks to be closing near the highs of the previous day.
Yeah,
So
but that's also because also looks good because of the tail on the bottom,
yeah,
right? Just how strong we closed.
yeah.
Like if we wanted to like just flush like this, then we would have. But we tried here, failed. We held, right? Kept trying, and then we finally broke through. And then they tried one more time,
Mm-hmm.
and still failed. So this looks, yeah,
Yeah, the odds that
mainly that.
tomorrow so it breaks that 1. So tomorrow that 1, the expectation is that it's more likely that we'll see a 2 bar tomorrow where we actually break out of that upside.
Hmm.
I like it. I like it.
Yes, we're
I like
learning.
it, baby. I like it.
We're
I like it.
learning.
I've never thought about the scenarios that way, right? I've heard the markets only ever do 3 things, right? We can
Hmm.
consolidate, we can trend higher, or we can trend lower, right? Which is
Yeah,
essentially saying the same thing, but just the way you worded it and structured that
yeah,
is I think a cool way and interesting way to look at it.
yeah. It's really just what? How can I view this without putting while putting the least amount of thought into it, right? Because if I start thinking too much, right, my brain would implode just like how it just did right now. I said blame.
No, man,
My
you did
blame.
good. You did good. I felt like coming into it, you might have been a little nervous, but I thought this was a good segment. I thought
Yeah,
this was
it's
good.
fun, man. Especially at this uh this setting.
Yeah,
I'm for it.
yeah,
I'm for it.
yeah. Awesome. Yeah, yeah. We got the chat going a little bit too. We had them a little dead
Yeah,
early, but
and I
on
bet.
Tinder, the emotions start. That heart rate starts getting going a little bit. We got the chat
Yeah,
going. You know what I'm saying?
yeah. Yeah, get a
Um.
little loosey goosey.
uh.
But yeah, that'll be all of it. Again, I guess recap: root above 88.40, then she'll be good. Um, lemonade, close at the lows, no lower than that, right? It can only take you like so short. But close at the lows right here, I'm fine with even a little pullback as long as there's no 180 reversal,
I
as
can't
long as she
believe you're
don't get
shorting
earnings
my girl
done.
Beyonce.
What?
I don't know why. When I think of Lemonade, didn't she have an album, Lemonade? I think of Beyonce when I hear that word. I don't know why. You're telling me you don't know
Huh?
Beyonce? Didn't Beyonce have an album called Lemonade? Am I making that up?
No. Well, let's find out. Beyonce Lemonade.
I'm making that up. If I'm making, did
Oh,
she?
it's her sixth studio album.
Bro, I'm cultured, and you're 30, bro. Come on, and a musician, and you don't even come on, bro.
I don't listen. I only
All
know.
right.
I only know.
Yeah,
See
my
that?
man Cycle knows what's. Oh,
Right?
You,
You see
I
that?
listen. If we were to give out a dance award to any stock guy trader, like it's already in the bag. You got it in the bag.
All right. Come at me, bro.
Rihanna. Oh wait,
Come at me.
Rihanna. No, no. Don't tell me
No,
Rihanna
that
did
was.
lemonade.
I don't know. It seems like a pretty common word.
Duke likes good music, not Beyonce.
Not Beyonce.
uh,
Oh,
Duke. So here's what we'll do to wrap us up here. We have a month of free month of TradeZilla for one of our viewers here. And yesterday, I ended up signing off before picking our winner. Now the winner was it threw me off. The winner was supposed to be whoever voted from the group, chosen from the group of people that voted for the correct winner of Trading the Game Show. But unfortunately, the back end of YouTube didn't show me who voted for who, so I could do it that way. So what we're gonna do today for the TradeZilla, the month trial, is we're gonna go back to our tried and true, the original way that we picked our winners earlier in the week for the Lucid accounts. Is chat. We're gonna need you to throw a number into the chat. Duke, don't look. I don't need you to be influenced. I know you're easily influenced. All right. So chat, throw in a number 1 through 100. Duke is going to pick a number for us, and whoever gets the closest to Duke's number without going over will be the winner of a month to try out TradeZilla, the best trading journaling software on the market. And if you want to try out TradeZilla, code StockDads as well. But get those numbers in. Duke, look at him. I'm being a good boy. He's not letting anybody. Jeez. Can we ban? I'm about to ban ourselves from the chat here. 6, 7. Jeez.
Who said 6, 7?
DJ. Unless Callan came out of nowhere, I wouldn't put it past him. Go away, Callan. Frank thinks it was Callan. I don't know. Oh, it wasn't Callan's pleading innocence. Callan, is that how that wedge play out? I haven't looked at SPY. Ooh, I'm looking for break to the upside here. We're gonna end back at the opening print today, ultimately going nowhere. Also, if you guys weren't on for Aaron's nooner, I heard him say this, but apparently they canceled CPI for tomorrow. Not having, with the government still being shut down, not having the data to report, I imagine. Attaboy, Connor. All right, guys, get your numbers in. We'll give you about another 30 seconds here before we wrap up another good day on StockDads TV, man. We gotta play some DJ Khaled. All I do is win, no matter what. Trader's been crushing it. See what the Dow stayed strong, kind of still flagging. All right, guys. All right, Mr. Duke Nukedom. We got the numbers in. We only got a handful of numbers, so it's this is oh, okay. So Baller Source Rest said he's holding Reddit in his long in his Roth. That's what he was looking at for. Yeah, with what Duke was talking about, Baller Source Rex, we're looking probably more for a short-term swing. So I don't know if I would necessarily put too much weight into that.
Well, yeah. Well, the monthly still looks good if that's any consolation for you. The monthly looks really good.
I think Baller Source Rex might win best YouTube handle. All right, give us your number, Duke.
All right, I've been stuck at 55.
55.
I like 55.
Book breakdowns. You, sir, hit the nail right on the head. 55.
Who did it?
Book breakdowns 55. That's gonna be a month of TradeZilla for you to try out, Mr. Book Breakdowns. Now Book Breakdowns, I gotta make sure we can get in touch with you. Are you a Discord member or not? Just so I know where we can contact you. All right, so Book Breakdown. What's your name in Discord so Callan can reach out? Botoss. Callan, can you confirm when we saw that Botoss in Discord or DJ? Make sure we got that. Once we make sure we got that locked, open a support ticket. Okay, Book Breakdowns open a support ticket inside of the Discord, and they'll get you hooked up with TradeZilla. And TradeZilla's added a lot of new features recently, and if you look at Umar's stories, I think they got some new stuff coming out here shortly. So check that out. Hope you enjoy it. And I think that's gonna be it for us today, guys. It's we got 142. It was another good day. Congratulations to everyone that took Netflix. Amar 2 for 2 today. We had the SPY puts and the Netflix long. So catching a move in both directions. So good stuff to everybody that participated. If you didn't participate, hopefully you're able to learn something from it and enjoyed today's stream.